It's game on as protesters begin to take to the streets. And this is as a response to this whole GameStop movement and a fight against Wall Street. A renewed, invigorated crowd going after the traders that don't seem to want the average ordinary citizen to get in on the spoils of the market. To the video in just a moment. Look at this guy. Here's one of the protesters who was outside the New York Stock Exchange with a very frightening sliced mask. They say protesters attack Wall Street traders, screaming shame and eat the rich amid backlash over the GameStop crackdown. And there are some pretty amazing scenes. In fact, let's jump into this video. Here we are outside the New York Stock Exchange. And you can see these people saying tax Wall Street. The protesters are now out there in force. Here they are.
I want my stock. I want it now. They just want the hedge fund investors to make more money than the common man. But I'm here to say that the common man wins.
Yeah! Please, for once. The common man wins. 2008, too big to fail. 2021, too small to win. Robin Crook, the signs say. Right in front of the New York Stock Exchange. Some of the elected officials and traders who have been visiting, coming out. These are just traders that are going to get mocked and yelled at. Oh my God! Here it is. These are protesters now going after Wall Street traders, verbally confronting them as they tried to leave their jobs. They're angry. Will this anger build is a big question. And does this resonate with you, or do you think this whole thing is starting to get a little bit out of control? This is a sign of something to come here. Look at this!
That's why you can't get through a revolving.
Wow. So there they are roaming the streets there. Let's keep moving. Now in DC, it's a one is the loneliest number kind of situation. This guy has a hold the line poster with a little Reddit alien on it. He's the only protester in DC.
Do you want to describe why you're here?
Yeah, I mean, I think what's going on with the SEC, with Robinhood, with the government, with, you know, all of the establishment is just trying to crush competition. I mean, the people on Wall Street Bets, people on Reddit found one chance, one way to make a trade to beat these hedge funds, and they're not allowed to do it. They just close up shop. It's illegal, it's criminal, and it can't be going on. It's going on in all phases of our society. It's not just what we see today with whatever GameStop. GameStop's a symbol for so much else that's going on, so much injustice.
Wow.
And, you know, just wanted to come out.
What do you think about that? Do you think this guy's onto something? This is really, and this is why one reason why it unites the left and the right, this is a rage against the corporate overlords, the plutocrats, the really rich oligarch billionaires. That's what they're going after here, and everybody can seem to agree on that. Let's go to more protests now in Silicon Valley, where they're outside of GameStop, I believe, with their signs.
The people put their money in, and Wall Street lost the bet, and they need to pay.
Screw you, it says.
Of Robinhood Markets in Menlo.
Oh, they're outside of Robinhood. I'm sorry.
Is a commission-free trading app that lets people buy and
Robinhood, your offices. Yuck! This is, I'm sure, just one of their offices. The Robinhood Markets in Menlo Park is where they're outside.
Free trading app that lets people buy and sell stocks without a broker. It is also how an army of Reddit users upended the hedge funds that wanted to short sell struggling GameStop. Those Redditors started buying. They sent the stock price soaring, and that cost a couple of Wall Street hedge funds about $5 billion. At that point, Robinhood put restrictions on trading GameStop specifically.
They are changing the rules. They lost their bet. They need to pay, and the people are because this is people's money.
There you go. People are upset about this. Meanwhile, GameStop explodes again as Robinhood lifts some of the restrictions, not all of them, some of the restrictions on GameStop and other stocks that they've been targeting. Meanwhile, Google deletes 100,000 negative one-star ratings on Robinhood, even though these were from real users who really were upset with what the app was doing at the time. Google has decided to delete 100,000 plus reviews. And a GameStop analyst over on CNBC calls all of this a pyramid scheme. Is he right? Somebody has to be caught holding the bag here. He said nobody even cares about the fact that he only thinks this thing's worth 16 bucks. We're way past that right now. Some people are saying 300, 400. And Robinhood making another boneheaded move today, restricting the crypto trading due to, quote, extraordinary market conditions. So there they are, taking to the streets, chasing after the traders on Wall Street and confronting them for what they believe is an injustice. Is it? Or has this all gone too far? Let me know what you think. I know you always do, and I'm interested in your thoughts on this subject as always. We'll see you real soon.